Jagoro mar kotu Francis Atwoli odokne Raila kowacho ni Raila kod Ruto tiyo kanyakla mar kelo kwe e pachokae. Atwoli mane wuoye boma ma Kisumo kiny makawuono wacho ni onge chieng' ma Raila biro weyo kedo ne Jokenya. Omedo ni piny owacho owinjo mi Raila osara kuom tich mosebedo ka otimo ne Jokenya. Bende opuoyo jotend migepe ma jatend piny oyiero kowacho ni mano e kit telo makare.
If the president, in his own rightful thinking, and the Honorable former Prime Minister, my brother-in-law Raila Amolo Odinga, they decided to make sure that some a party from Azimio, where I was, must contribute to the stability of the country. I was not privy to it, and I was not competent, and I'm not competent to say it was wrong. But what I want Kenyans to realize is this. This freedom that you see people being appointed from the opposition, it was not brought by any other person apart from Raila Amolo Odinga. Let this country be the way it is. Give the president freedom to choose anybody he wants to be with, comfortable in the government, so long as there is stability in our country. Let's not condemn and say, oh, Raila did a big mistake, did this, and it is what he fought for.